Metals are bouncing back strong today after yesterday's pullback, and there's a lot driving this move. Gold is trading around $4,622 per ounce, up about $79 on the day. That's roughly a 1.75% gain, and it comes right after hitting one-month lows yesterday. Silver is outperforming again. It's trading near $73.61 per ounce, up about $2.40 today, which is roughly a 3.33% gain. Now, let's look at the gold to silver ratio, which sits around 62 to 1. That means it takes about 62 ounces of silver to equal the value of 1 ounce of gold. So, what's driving today's rally? The big move is coming from the US dollar, which dropped sharply today. When the dollar falls, gold and silver typically rise because they become cheaper for foreign buyers. We also got fresh economic data. First quarter GDP came in at 2% growth, showing the economy is still holding up. At the same time, core inflation rose to 3.2%. Looking at the Fed, rates were held steady yesterday at a range of 3.5% to 3.75%. That marks the third straight pause, but what really stands out is that 4 officials dissented, the most since 1992. And it's not just the Fed. Today, both the European Central Bank and the Bank of England also held rates steady, pointing to ongoing inflation pressures tied to the Iran conflict. Central banks around the world are essentially in a holding pattern right now. That brings us to the biggest macro driver, the US-Iran conflict. The naval blockade has pushed the Strait of Hormuz close to shutdown, and oil prices are surging, with US crude around $107 a barrel. If you're watching the big picture, this is a powerful mix of dollar weakness, sticky inflation, and geopolitical tension, all lining up in favor of metals. Subscribe, like, and share for more updates like this. And if you're looking to add to your stack, pick up your gold and silver today at the link in the description below through Money Metals Exchange, one of the most trusted dealers in the country. All videos are for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. We are not registered financial advisors. Your reliance on any information here is solely at your own risk. Links to other websites, videos, or communication channels are offered as references only, and we are not responsible for what you may find there.